Hello, this is Thomas J. Linneman, author of Social Statistics, Managing Data, Conducting Analyses, Presenting Results. In this short video, I briefly describe my book and its companion website and how they benefit instructors and students. First, why should instructors consider using this book? The quick answer is this. It is the only introductory social statistics text that teaches students the techniques they need to know and does so in a way that is completely non-intimidating. In the first part of the book, I cover, in an efficient and clear manner, foundational techniques that are typically covered in most books. I do so in an engaging way. For example, I build each probability distribution step by step by hand so that the student understands how it actually works. I also bring in engaging recent examples from a wide range of social science literature, showing how social scientists use these basic techniques. In the second part of the book, I cover techniques that typical introductory social statistics books don't cover in any meaningful depth. However, in contrast to other books that include these techniques, I cover them in a far more approachable manner. From a student perspective, why is this book superior? I take them step by step through these contemporary techniques. For each technique, I offer several examples that slowly build in complexity, so that by the end of the chapter, the student will feel comfortable with all aspects of the technique. Students will also find very useful the short sections at the end of most chapters on how to take raw statistical output and turn it into a format suitable for papers and presentations. If students develop this skill, they will be at a distinct advantage in their courses and their workplace. Here are some of the major changes that, I think, vastly improve the book in its second edition. First, I've expanded and improved the literature examples. I draw them from a wide variety of areas: popular culture, gender, public health, political science, criminology, and business. I walk students through ways to decipher these results and how to critique them. One of the best skills we can teach students is how to present results clearly to a variety of audiences. To this end, I show students how to take raw output and translate it into clear tables and graphs. Another addition to the book is a series of what I call inter-chapter connections. Students often have trouble understanding how all of the statistical techniques are related. I design these inter-chapter connections to help students in this important endeavor. The exercises in the second edition use some exciting new data sets that should interest students from a wide variety of fields, such as public health, criminology, and business. The book's companion website offers a variety of content for both instructors and students. For instructors, in addition to the typical website material such as exam questions and lecture slides, I've created a series of animations and live demonstrations that bring the material to life in your lectures. Here, I'll quickly click through part of one of the animations that helps students understand how the covariance works. Of course, you'd want to move through this a bit more slowly in your classes. I really think the animation helps to show the students how the technique works. Now here's one of the live demonstrations. In this demonstration, I'm showing how you can take some very basic simple regression data and change it to help understand the technique. Also, for each technique, I offer several examples of how the instructor could change the results to show how the technique works. So for example, we can go back to the technique and we can change poor Andre's income to $20,000, and you can see how the regression results change. On the student side of the website, the additions I'm most excited about are two sets of videos. The first set of videos recreates all of the SPSS demonstrations that appear at the end of the chapters. The second set of videos models for students how to go from a research question to analyses to presentation. These videos are extensions of several examples that appear in several chapters of the book. So there is a brief introduction to social statistics, managing data, conducting analyses, presenting results. I hope you give the book serious consideration, as I really think it gives students the statistical skills they need to succeed in our data-filled world. Thank you for your time.